So today I'm going to show you how to fix the ABS unit on the Jaguar V8 3.2 Sport. Here we have the ABS unit on here, and I'm getting the standard fault, which is the ABS traction control not available. And just so you know what I'm talking about, this is a Jaguar X300 2001 car, and we need to fix this problem. So this is the common fault, which is normally caused by a dry joint on the control board. So the black box there is the control unit for the ABS. What I'm doing is just trying to take that off of the unit without having to disconnect it from the car. So first of all, I'm going to remove the connector, the multi-connector. So you pull that up like that, and it just pulls off like this. That's the connector out of the way. And also then we have the connector to the motor. So this is the motor here, and the connector is just down the back of there. So you might just see this if I can just work that loose. There we go. So that's the connector there for the motor off. Now I've just undone these already, but basically you have 4 little Torx star bolts on this unit, which you need to undo. And for that you're going to need to buy a little set like this, and this here is an E5 star socket, which you're going to need, and a little socket set, and these are the bolts you need to get out. It's quite small and quite fiddly to remove. So in my car, I thought it looked a bit of a job to actually remove the whole unit. As you can see down there, there's some studs. So to get it all out, you're going to have to take probably take the inner wheel arch off and things like that. So I didn't want to bother with that. But as you can see here, the whole unit has quite a bit of play in it. So I was able to sort of bend it back like this. And whilst doing that, I could access each one of those 4 holes to remove those nuts. So I've done that, and now what I'm trying to do is take the actual unit off of the housing, the control unit. So to do that, you need to bend these pipes out of the way a little bit. So these are the brake lines. So without disconnecting them, which I don't want to do, because that's going to need draining down and bleeding brakes and all that business. So I don't want to do that. I'm just carefully sort of bending these out of the way a little bit to allow me to remove the unit off of the ABS module. So as you can see here, this is now loose, and that's coming away like that, but it's not quite there. So I need to bend the pipes a little bit more out, and I'm going to remove this this nut here to give me a bit more space. The cabling's a little bit in the way. So let's have a look at that and see how far we get. So now with that earthing point out of the way, I should be able to try and get this off now. I'm not going to be able to show you this as I do it, because I've got nobody to hold the camera, but we'll give it a go and I'll show you what it's like afterwards. So as you can see, this is moving forward off of there like that, and I just need to work that loose away from the unit, and you should be able to pull it out. Let's give it a go. And one thing more to say, you can actually unclip the brake lines here from the body, here and here. So by unclipping those and sort of moving them away from that multi-connector, you can sort of one by one gently bend those pipes. They are bent in the first place to make them, so they are quite easy to bend. Just be careful you don't kink them, I think is the key thing here. So that's it. Now I have the module loose, it's just down there, and all I need to do is sort of work that out around the side. It shouldn't be too hard. Let's give that a go. A little bit tight. And that's it. We've got it off. It took about 20 minutes, not too difficult. And that is the ABS module, which is no doubt causing all the problems with my warning lights on the dashboard. So successfully removed that, and the next step will show you how to get inside that and repair it. So that's the next bit.